Open your hearts, open your hearts, open your hearts to Lord. He knocks today, do not delay, but open your hearts to Lord. Into my heart, into my heart, coming to my heart, Lord God. Coming today, coming to stay, coming to my heart, Lord God.
Shashi and forward for pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In the well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning all. Thought for the day. The future depends on what we do in the present. These are the famous words from Mahatma Gandhi. I repeat, the future depends on what we do in the present. These are the famous words from Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Now it's time for us to gain some knowledge. I would like to share some of questions and its answers with you. My first question. Name the world tallest statue in India. I repeat, name the world tallest statue in India. Do you know? Yes, Statue of Unity in Gujarat. My second question. Where is the largest museum of India situated? I repeat, where is the largest museum of India situated? Do you know? Yes, Indian Museum in Kolkata. Thank you.
Hello Lords! Today I would like to talk about Gandhi Jayanti. We have celebrated the 2nd of October as Gandhi Jayanti, as the birth anniversary of a great and powerful leader, Mahatma Gandhi. This year is marked as the 152nd birth anniversary of our Bapuji. He was born in 1869, Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhi Jayanti is also known as International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi led India to freedom from the British rule and taught us how we should fight for our rights with peace. Oh, and before I go, there's a message for you from Mahatma Gandhi. Our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. Keep this in mind and have a happy life.
Please attention. Lord's Anthem.
I'm Mr. Halls of Lord's Academy. We the children you want in one voice to sing aloud in praises, to follow that master along the paths of the truth, to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live. Lord's Academy at the seat of learning. You are the sweet delight, you are a muscle life. You teach us today and always to love, to learn, to live. I'm Mr. Halls of Lord's Academy. We learn to do our very best in sunshine and in grace. Rest to be the trust of all and mal matter. We fly aloft the flag